fit any asese ni din and your friend say mechanic na prophet kumichacha ma sesa me YouTube no ba bia me hwe bia ma change afro and ma ba too much GH hwe na prophet kumichacha me so me hwe
Akwa Bastronko and Koma Wasabre wo shame ewo to my GHS so nana ama owusua enemy day na senator no me yano no trending issue abeto dwano and amede ebesomo ewo ifide so nebusua form mbekaya enchebia and assembly ebeto dwano no abrantia yesusu se na o doctor ni what in the office and so it has any so atana wo sumba mama ni nyane say the girlfriend a ram be a giant after 8 years of dating. Now, and some way echo very viral to say now for make comments about it say now Dr. Nimpo and wait ye jawi now they are now we are not say questions no I be brave and speculations no so adults so I will from with everybody so better as no so style or bet me e dia babonti no so dia ba e bi kra kai say abrantie no wa hwe girl na ni school komunia amate say wo wie ye na wa tua no so carbon esa na bi mu so esa ka bi mu so say betima ba ne say abayo no slay queen for so dey won trafa ko enche entenuti ene nam so e ma no ejanenti sense na akovara kono afei no no emu aba point na wodi ye abetu ye na according to a doctor no the decrease agbesi na ebiemu so no wonye medical doctor say na amanfodo do na edi esusu no na oye pharmacy technician ena ebiemu so no abayiwa na ewrama na wo dating of man Brokén Héart no ye no crest one na dating 8 years na so wonye slay queen say na nkofo dey tag no wonye slay queen the ebiemu so wan hwe na nko school bia na wo for wo no womu ewo ehu kwan ewo ho akade so metimi de omoba akọ school nsem na yekeka no wo say aye ntwa so na ebiemu so no wo ka e de to da say akoye say ensem no ekọ viral nipa dodo na bi ed woman ni bre akoswe abayiwa no ezo say wono anyway jana ma brantie mu wo su enu nti abayiwa no nipa boni ne no na wo ba che say abayiwa na wo fo afre na akache ne say be ya wo ma bonten na wo mama san ensem no ento entwa ne sadia wo gu nipa no omoba no ehu fia na so wo say ni din ntebe ya wo mbra bonten no me cheche ensem mu eye e no kra ene nam so ama wa ye video e de beto da ne busa fo ye ko ye video na wo de ni nchire mu no esom ye ne ye ba ye de aka no aka ho e de ama
good morning, lovely people of Ghana. Please, I trust by the grace of God, we are all doing well. This is Mr. Chris here, the alleged doctor. I don't know how to put it, but it is trending out there that I've been broken-hearted. Yeah, and I really want to use this opportunity to clear the air. I would have done that earlier, but because of the pain I was going through, it didn't permit me to do. Yeah, though I've been broken-hearted though. Yeah, but please, before I start everything, I want to clear the air on this issue. Please, I'm actually a pharmacy technologist. I am not a medical doctor. Yeah, though I am not in any way blaming the various bloggers who tagged me as a medical doctor or something, because of the fact that I was in my lab coats. Yeah, but please, I'm a pharmacy technologist. The main motive of this video is to clear the air on the fact that some news broadcasters and others have been tagging the particular lady in question as a slay queen. Yeah, and because of that, I've been receiving numerous calls from her parents. Yeah, and I see it's not appropriate to tell the lady I've dated for almost 8 years now, because next year, April 17th, it would have been 8 years. Yeah, it's quite unfortunate such a misfortune has happened, but it doesn't mean the lady in question's image should be tarnished. So at least to some extent, I agreed with what their parents, the kind of blame their parents imposed on me. Yeah, I have accepted that fact. Please, it was a minor issue which I never expected could result in this. But anyway, as the situation stands by now, like the heartbreak has already been caused, and I've been in fact motivated a bit, and I'm trying to move on. Yeah, though I'm in a bit of pain still, but I'm trying to recover and get going or get moving. Yeah. So please, I came to you this morning to stop tarnishing the lady's image. Yeah, she is actually not sleeping. She's not sleeping. Please. It's like I'm in pain, but her parents are not considering the kind of pain I'm in, but rather the image of their lovely daughter being tarnished out there by me. And the video that was being published, I don't know, I wasn't by myself when that video was being captured. I don't know whether I was unconscious or something, because I think as a man I shouldn't have allowed the pain overshadow my strength like that. But it is actually the heart that matters. Yeah, so everything that happened, by God's grace, I'm gradually recovering. I don't intend to actually expose what actually went on, but anyway, if you want to know what actually went on, you can at least DM me and I'll brief you on that. Yeah. So please, this is actually to clear the air on the fact that the lady is not the slave queen. And also some people are saying I said, a certain television station said, a reporter of that particular television station said they've been able to communicate with me, and I stated emphatically that I've invested in the lady's education up till now. Please, her parents are capable of taking care of her. Yeah, so please, I haven't whispered or uttered a word to any television station except EN News. Yeah, EN News contacted me, and trust me, those are the only people I've spoken with. So please stop tarnishing my image as well as the lady.
Sena me kan pepe abrante no ache ne nsem no na wo hwa ikudu kofododo na ka se wo ya abrante kukudu for pa, because any obia na ba going through such trauma onya kukudu sabe sabe tenase cheche mu biebie mu ebie bu ha emu oya pa se wo bi ate wakoma after 8 good years awunim se o ye na nte kudu baby na te se botai no timi twa shorter all of a sudden no ebi wo ha emu oya na ni nia mu no ebi so ka se we opportunity at the man na ebusafo no so too harsh wo abrante no so, because se abrante no mpo so a wo su na ba video mu na beta ponte kra po na enu nti mu de gun mu ne se de gu mu ba no enim asekra mu nka mu po mu consider the fact say abrante so nipa na nipa wasa investing in emotions ne time ne pre wone mu ba no atana all of a sudden mu ba no so gina so say wonu no ejai na tese why expressive emotion mu ye no esi nchen dia be ka mu ba ne de tese mu pe mu ba ne image no esen abrante no emotions a wo fam nti abrante no fm ehwe ne nkwade a ne no gade pa na mu hwe ni mpo se kebesi ewotwe nti we sa kwan na ebusofo no abawe na ebusofo na mso ase de wo mo close wo mani de ti abrante ne feelings ana se ne yawa wo fam no mo sa bone pa se wo mra bonte msv o mo ba the image no nya kwan pa so ntebe ya ka wo fo ni enye considerate kakra enfa abrante ni ne hawo emu na ne nia mu no abrante no oyekukudufo we atre no nyansa ni nje ama na otumu se he's going from the experience those was saying he yawo na wo di no wondi yawo ni we, but ka brabo hu ye den ara nipa ye no mo ehya se wa brabo mu ye no mo etu anamani wo mo nia enu no mo ebewie ya brabo ebi mo ha wo meja keke ebi mo so be chere ndie kakra bi ai de bebo ye bra ebi so e be bie yakoma mu se ne betime accept nyama bi e de my own. I think say one of those things and actual abrante e wona brabo mu na e de ra se no wa sha se na healing process mu e na wonam enche the way be fi e ya wa fam na wetimi abuild upon the life the aka wonanim no wetimi edi eho enkunimdie na ye de besi ase won so wa don tire no bo mo dia na fa som yen e wo ye comment section say e abrante we ni ya wo femu ebusia adesere de omo de abetu ni ama abrante asa betena ase a record video a cheche nsem no so hu se fa kwemu anase emfa kwemu omo de ana che wa dream na die mo no share video we amadofo ebusia fo bibia no so emfa ni endi eche na me kan say follow yen or your Twitter and your Instagram handles at @tumagh_, Facebook also @tumagh, and I'm Owusu Makramu.
Too much GH. We did that say Japan. A breakup person TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody GDB. Madam, I say love you.
Too much GH. We boy wate. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH. Me dey the Isaiah Kodwampo. We betun afem the great tempo. Mbrin. Won me kan mo ni hwe Too Much GH. Too much GH. Mo ye too much. Na me so me ye am fire.